Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Blog Monk, where I simplify blogging and SEO. In today's video, you will learn how to make your header sticky. Suppose your audience is reading one of your article, and as the person is scrolling down, the header also moves away. In order to access the header, the person has to go back to the header section and then access it. Now, in today's video, you will learn how to make it sticky. So as the person moves below, starts reading the article, the header will remain in this section only. For that, we are going to use the help of one plugin which is known as My Sticky Menu. The link to this plugin is available in the description. You can go it from there, or head to your dashboard, go to your plugin section, click add new, and then search for the plugin. There are many plugins available by this name. The one which I am recommending is written by Premium. This plugin is regularly updated and I am pretty sure it is compatible with the version of WordPress you are using. So just install it. Now once you get installed, you will then have to activate it. So just wait for a minute, it will get installed. Now activate it. It will ask you to sign up. It depends upon you whether you want to do it or not. You can skip it also. So from where you are going to access it, see, once you have installed it, you will find a new menu available over here by the name My Sticky Menu. So go to this My Sticky Menu, then Sticky Menu Settings. Once you are on the settings, you have the ability to add the sticky menu based on different class ID or your menu which is available. Now if you have seen my last video, over there I have taught you how to create a menu. Now in this particular website I have two menus available. Let me show it to you. There are two menus available. One is the primary menu, another is the footer menu. You can also see it over here. This is my primary menu, which is the header menu, and this is my footer menu. So you can select which menu you want to show. You want to make it sticky. So let me select the header menu. So once I select the header menu, I have to go down below and I have to save it. Once I save it, now when I refresh my page, what will happen is that as I scroll down, you see the menu, it remains sticky. So even if I go to the bottom of the page, the menu remains as it is. So this is one way of adding your sticky menu. Now if you want to change the color of this text, that also you can do. So just head to the sticky menu settings. Over there you have the sticky text color available. Just select the color which you want. For simplicity I am just selecting the red. You can also give the HTML code of the particular color which you want to show. Once you are comfortable with it, just add, save. Once you save it, just refresh the page, and now once you scroll it, you see the color also changes. So when it is in the initial, it will remain in the default color, but as you move down, see the color changes. So this is one way of improving the user interface. Okay, apart from selecting directly the menu over here, you can also select the class and ID. Now why this is required? Depending upon your theme, sometimes what will happen is that sticky menu plugin will not be able to show your header and the footer menu. It might happen. So if you face such kind of problem, all you do is that you select this option, other class and ID. Now where you will get this class and ID? Just go to your website from any browser, and then whether it is your header or your footer menu, whichever menu you want to select, just select it, go to the location, right click, and then inspect. Once you do it, you will see that there is an option available over here which is nav ID. Now this site has navigation. Whatever name you are getting over here, this is your ID. So just copy it. Take it over here and then paste it. Now remember, if you are using the ID, in that case you have to give hash before that. So hash then ID. So please remember this. If you are using ID, then please use hash. Once you have done it, then save it. Now let's go back. See, it remains as it is. Now you can also change the background color also. See, right now the sticky background color is this. I can change the background color. Let me select yellow and now save it. So now let's refresh it. Initially it remains as it is. Once I start scrolling, you see the background color also changes. So you can change your background color, you can change your text color and many other things from here. There are certain paid excuse me, there are certain paid facilities also, but that depends upon you whether you want to buy it or not. See, okay, one more thing is that if I want to add the class, in that case where will I get the class? As I've shown you, over here first you have the ID and over here you have the class. Please remember that up to this only is your class. You will have some other name, so just copy it. Don't select anything after the space bar. So select this portion, and now if you want to add the class, in that case you have to give dot before it. So dot and then class. Once you've given dot and class, in order to show you that this is different from what I have done earlier, I'm going to change the text color also. Okay, now see, my background will be this, my text color will be purple. So let's save it. Now refresh it. Let's see, got changed. So you can add your sticky depending upon whether directly you select the menu or you select the class and ID. If you, where you will get the class and ID, just right click, inspect, you will have your ID over here and also class over here. If you are using your ID, please use hash before it. If you are using class, use dot before it and then select. There are a few other settings available, so kindly go through them. Suppose where you want to disable it, you can disable it in the blog post, you can disable it in the pages also, but these facilities are available only for your paid versions. So if you want them, you want to disable individual page categories or post, in that case you can upgrade it, or else this is more than sufficient. So just select the menu, save it, and that's it. So if you have liked this video, kindly hit the like button. If you have any problem, then comment below. If you want to suggest also, you can comment below, and subscribe for more such awesome videos. Thank you.